Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. We did do a little test flight with one of the other kites that we had. So we are in summer now, almost close to the end of kite season. But what we're doing now, we remade one from scratch. First one we did a test flight. I shared the content with that somewhere here. Didn't go as well as we wanted because the kite itself was not balanced. Also the materials that we used to make it was a little bit on the heavy side. Yeah, and also the what they call it, the there's a thing that you capture here that ties the kite to your long thread. If that is not balanced, or they call it the loop, if your loop isn't balanced, then your kite will go either left or right whenever the wind takes it. And that was what was happening with the other one. So we started from scratch. We're at this point now where we got the frame. We got this piece of bamboo from some young kids. I still have some more at the shop, some taller ones. Maybe I can make a larger kite, but for now we're working with this. So we went with the traditional kite with a star in the middle. So now we're just gonna go and put the plastic over it and glue it down, and then we should have the finished product by sometime this evening. And then tomorrow when we move to flying, you'll see how the kite performs. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Took me about 2 hours or 2.5 hours to do from start to finish. Tomorrow will be the test flight. I've done all the work, the cording, and put in the main lines for it to be connected to my string that is there, and then this part is going to be there for the tail. So I'll close out right now and pick up back tomorrow when we put everything back to take the tail from the other kite and the string, new string that we got, nylon string to fly this one, put it on, and then we go by the play field and see what this kite does. But I'm kind of stoked, excited to see what it does. Also, I'm waiting on the kids to come in to see their reaction to it. I'll add it as well to the video. Alright guys, so welcome back. We made the kite last night. Today we're gonna try and put it up in the sky. Guys are here with their slings and ride them back from the process of getting the kite to the longer string now, longer cord. And a good wind today, so should be able to put the kite up reasonably easy. But everything goes according to plan. Alright guys, so we'll finally get it. Oh, yeah, we'll finally get it up in the sky. So I'm gonna carry you guys for what it looks like. I'm not even sure you can see it. Just keep pulling, keep tugging on it. Yeah. It's all the way up there. I don't even know. But we finally did it. The kite is way up there. Not as high as the others, but we're definitely higher than a few more. But so this one, Christian and Christoph is now flying. What's going?
I cannot even see the string.
Yeah, after a point you won't be able to see the string.
I can't see it though.
Yeah, that's fine. You're good. Woo! Alright guys, so that's us for now. Got our kite in the sky, kite that we made yesterday, and it's now flying. I want to see if we can probably pick up and do another one tomorrow or Saturday. No, Saturday we might be doing something else, but for now we did it. Our kite is there in the sky. Just pull on it, Christoph. There you go, you got it, you got it. Come, no, Christoph, come back. Come, no, come back. You can't let that big feather out of it. Like a bird. Alright guys, so we bring down the kite successfully, still intact, everything. I'm gonna pack it in now. We've been flying for about 3 hours, so I think this is a success. We might come back out Saturday, maybe tomorrow or Sunday. I think probably Sunday. Sunday we're back out again. And we'll fly some more. I think I might get some other, well, I have more bamboo at the shop, so what I'm gonna do is get the bamboo at the shop and try and make maybe a larger kite and see how that one performs after. But the kids had fun, I had fun, and this was all a grand success. Alright, so thanks again for watching guys. Peace.